Oh, that was so great. Sam, what is it?
Hurry up! Let's make this house right now!
For who?
For me. I'm still thrilled about the first house we made, but it doesn't fit me. This one should do.
Are you sure, Sam? It seems the same.
You'll never know till you try. Let's make it!
All right, let's go. Hello, guys. Today, we'll...
Build a house for me!
Right, we'll build a house.
Guys, do you remember the house we made last time? Give a thumbs up if you watched that video. Is it made the same way as the previous one?
Well, mostly yes. Look, we need to build the floor and walls, install electricity, assemble all the furniture, and decorations.
Hooray! Hooray! It'll be fun. You can give me tasks and I'll complete them.
Okay, you can start with this furniture. Well, I'm going to build the first floor. Look, guys, here we'll have a swimming pool. Let's attach the walls of the pool with glue. Sam really likes swimming pools.
I adore them.
But I guess you can't put water in this one.
What? How? Why? Susie!
Well, it's not plastic, just plywood and paper.
Please, Susie, make it work, please! I believe you're a real magician.
I'm not a magician, but I think we still have some epoxy resin left from the pencil planet we made once. I'll apply some resin inside the pool, so when it dries, we can put water in it. Da, 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 da. It's almost like painting.
Yay! I knew you'd think of something. I'll throw pool parties.
Sam, are you sure the house will fit you?
Of course.
Guys, do you think this house will fit Sam? Write in the comments. Meanwhile, I've set the lights for the pool. See? These lamps are very sweet. Now, I need to place several more pieces of the first level floor. Then, we can start on the walls. So, that's how the basement and the swimming pool came out.
Yes, yes, perfect! I approve.
I'm glad, Sammy. Now I'll set up the walls. Have you already assembled the furniture?
The furniture? Yes, of course. Be right back.
Look, there's a hole for the wires in this wall. We need them to have the lights in the house. And here we have a music mechanism, just like in a music box. We need to wind it with this little key. Wow, what a wonderful melody! Let's apply some glue quickly and put up the music wall in our house. Guys, do you like music? Or maybe you have a real music box. Write in the comments. And I'll carefully place the wall here, pressing it to the floor. Here, we will put a kitchen counter with a stove and a sink.
Is this covered for the kitchen? Is it?
Right, Sammy, you're just in time. Your kitchen will be stuffed with everything you need. I know how you love to cook.
Aw, thank you, Susie. I'll be the best culinary host in the world.
Culinary host?
It's a host who always has some culinary masterpieces up his sleeve.
Ah, I see. Let's fill your little cupboard with cookbooks and other nice things to inspire your culinary talent. Tell me, culinary host, have you prepared comfortable kitchen furniture for your guests?
Absolutely. Here's a chair. And one more. And a table. And could there be something else?
Of course, a kitchen sofa.
Well, the sofa arrived disassembled.
So let's assemble it.
Yes! Hooray! I'm gonna bring some nice decorations for the dining table.
Have you already assembled them? So that's why you didn't have time to make the sofa.
But look how many other things I've made!
Whoa, cool! Let's arrange them.
Okay, we're done with the food. It's time to build the living room. I've prepared all the pillows. Could you just make the sofa, please?
Well, if you say please, I'll do it with pleasure.
I'm not just a culinary host, I'm also a very polite one.
Oh, I have no doubt. The sofa is going to be very soft and cozy. Let's put it in its place.
And of course, it's not a living room without a coffee table.
I can't imagine a living room like that, Sammy. Not in your house for sure.
Guys, participate in the process too. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Yahoo! So, you finish this while I'm going to make furniture for the bedroom.
Why do you need a nightcap?
For bedroom inspiration.
Ah, I see. Guys, I'm still worried. What will we do if the house doesn't fit Sam? Please write your suggestions in the comments. Meanwhile, I'm arranging nice decorations. Ta-da! The lower floor will be illuminated with these lamps with fans. I need to put the light bulb here, this way. And stick the decorative details. Oh, I adore these flowers. I wouldn't mind having a lamp like this myself.
Well, you can take one. I don't mind.
Thank you, Sammy, but I'm afraid it's too small for me. While it's a perfect fit for this house, I'm inserting it into a special opening. We have 2 lamps of this kind and 3 little ones. They'll provide very soft light. We'll direct the wires to the side carefully. Then I'll apply the glue here. I'm using a glue stick for this. There we go, all over the surface. And now I'll stick the decorative floor of the second floor. We also need an additional pillar right here. Let's set up the floor of the second level. Perfect! And of course, illumination. There'll be a very cute lamp here. On the second floor, we have a bathroom and a bedroom. The bathroom will have a little platform. Very stylish. While the wall with the doorway is located here. Awesome! It's time to furnish the bedroom.
I'm coming! On my way! Almost there! Look, Susie, I've already prepared everything for the bedroom. All you need to do is arrange things.
Just a moment, I'm sticking the carpet on. Okay, now bring it all.
All right, the first element is a soft headboard.
Okay, it goes here.
Then we have bedside tables, too.
Aw, so adorable.
You haven't seen the decorations yet. But first, let's finish the bed. Here, it's soft and cozy, just as I like it.
And pillows?
Pillows? Pillows! Yes, coming!
Guys, how many pillows do you have on your bed? Write in the comments.
Pillow rain!
Oh, caught them. Hurry up, bring the decorations you told me about.
Here they are.
Oh, let's arrange everything. It's amazing, Sammy. You've already made so many things.
I just got carried away. I want to live in this house.
Oh, but Sammy…
Keep going while I'm off to fetch some things for the bathroom.
Guys, I'm really starting to worry. Sam will be very upset when he finds out that the house is too little for him, but what do I do? Aw, it's coming out so beautifully. We are setting a window with curtains here. The only thing left is illumination, but we'll come back to it later. Let's move to the bathroom. We need a curtain here as well. I love curtains in the rooms. They make the home cozier.
And here is an important object for the bathroom.
Can't argue with that. Let's put it in place.
I'm also gonna make a sink, and you make everything else.
Here in the corner, we can put this little stool. There will be towels on it. Now we need a tap. Guys, do you remember what was in the house we created last time? A bath or a shower? Write in the comments if you watched that video. In this house, we'll have a bath. Let's add some bubbles. I adore a bubble bath. Do you? Give a thumbs up if you do. And hop. It's way prettier this way.
Here, Susie. We've got plenty of other things for the bathroom.
Let's see. We've got a mirror, a counter with a sink, a tray with little stuff. Wow, there are even toothbrushes. Cool.
You shouldn't forget to brush your teeth, even if you live in such a fantastic house.
And a rug at the entrance. What's left?
A roof, Susie. A roof. And a staircase. Well, you know who's an expert in stairs, which means the roof is on you.
Okay. There will be a skylight over the bathroom. Oh, that's my dream, to live in a mansard. I'd watch the sky every day. Also, there's an adorable lamp set in the roof over the bedroom. Just look at those beads. Magnificent. Let's install the second part of the roof carefully.
It's time to set the stairs, Sue.
All right. Oh, greatest master of the staircases. But first, let me stick the banister so our second floor looks finished.
Yes, that's very thoughtful of you. There's also, how could I? Be right back.
What? All right. In the meantime, I'll do the stairs. How beautiful. I like the color scheme of this house. If you agree, give a thumbs up. If not, then write in the comments and tell us your favorite color combinations.
Here, Susie! Put them in their place! Quick!
Oh, the lounge chairs. Right.
It wouldn't be a swimming pool without lounge chairs and pillows for them.
Caught 'em.
And it wouldn't be a pool without water.
Got it. Here's the water. Let's fill it. Whoa! It's working! Nothing's leaking.
Hooray! Okay, I'm going to go pack for moving. Can you check if everything is ready?
But Sammy... He ran off. Guys, I need your ideas on how to cheer Sam up urgently, because I'm sure he won't fit in this house. Well, it seems I have some more small decorations left. I'm going to add them. Ta-da!
Is it ready?
Yes, Sammy. The house is ready, but I must tell you...
Say no more! Dear Susie, I knew that this house wouldn't fit me. There's so many tiny details in it. I love them, but I'm surely too big for this place. It's just that I understood you liked building the house last time, and I wanted to make you happy.
Oh, Sammy, thank you so much. You're the best friend in the world. Let's see what our house looks like illuminated. I like this house very much. Give a thumbs up if you like it too.
And subscribe to the channel. We're going to make more interesting videos with Sue for you.
Bye-bye!